So this is converting a 28 millimeter spring from a Generation 2 spring, which is no longer available. This is 28 millimeter, and this is the replacement 28 millimeter. As you can see, the difference between the two is this actually has a hub extension on the hub that goes into the actual tube itself. So this is the original style. The driver is actually broken off on the inside. So when you order the part number, and again, these are available in about 4 different sizes based upon the width of your shade. You basically take this. I recommend not using a razor knife per se, because it is hard plastic and it is, you can go off center. So what I'd recommend, either using a Dotco or some other cutting device. You can actually put the two springs together and either take a file or a Dotco, mark it back, you know, about 1/4 of an inch from the outside, and just score it going all the way around, file it around. Or you can use a Dotco and cut it in, and then just turn the hub with your hand back here as you physically go around. So you're basically going to cut it off flush, so the outside hub and the inside hub equal 1. Just being careful not to damage the actual driver on the inside of the shade, which is used for your adjusting for tightening the spring. So as you do this and you cut that off, it's actually going to do, in the world of magic here, it's going to equal this. So this is what the spring originally looked like, and you can use a file and convert this around, file it around, file it out, just clean it up a little bit, so therefore there's no hang-ups on it that can cause any damage to your actual fabric itself. So that's how you convert a spring from the older style to the newer style. Again, this is an MCD shade conversion, and so yes, you did receive the right part. You just got to convert it. So thank you.